Hello everyone, welcome back to NCERT Hindi Tutor, your go-to channel for class 12th CBSE exam insights. I am Vaibhav, your guide on this academic journey, and today we are delving into the class 12 CBSE Biology sample paper straight from the official website. If you are gearing up for your board exams, you are in the right place. Now, before we jump into the questions and answers, I want to extend a special welcome to all our viewers, especially those who may not be able to see. For you, my friends, I'll be reading out each question and its answers one by one, ensuring that everyone, regardless of visual ability, can fully engage with the content. And here's a quick tip for everyone tuning in. Did you know you can customize your YouTube experience by changing the subtitle language? If you prefer subtitles in Hindi or any other language, just go to the settings, choose your preferred language and enhance your viewing experience. Now, whether you are a student prepping for the exams or someone keen on mastering biology, you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates. Now, let's dive into the world of biology together. CBSE Additional Practice Questions, Biology, Code 044, Class 12th, 2023-24. Maximum marks 80, time 3 hours. General instructions. All questions are compulsory. The question paper has 5 sections and 33 questions. All questions are compulsory. Section A has 16 questions of 1 mark each. Section B has 5 questions of 2 marks each. Section C has 7 questions of 3 marks each. Section D has 2 case-based questions of 4 marks each. And Section E has 3 questions of 5 marks each. There is no overall choice. However, internal choices have been provided in some questions. A student has to attempt only one of the alternatives in such questions. Wherever necessary, neat and properly labeled diagrams should be drawn. So let's start section A. Question 1. During the pollen grain formation, the generative cell divides to give rise to the 2 male gametes. What is the ploidy of the generative cell? Answer A. N. Second question. Kiwi is a dioecious species. Which of the following methods can be definitely ruled out as a possible mode of pollination in its case? Answer D. Only P, Q and R. Question 3. Arun thinks that identifying the exact mRNA sequence from the protein sequence is difficult. Is he correct and why? Answer B. Yes, as the genetic code is degenerate. Question 4. Crickets are insects that follow the XO type of sex determination. Which of the following statements is always true about this type of sex determination? Answer D. Sperms that have an O chromosome will give rise to a male cricket. Question 5. Oysters are generally either dark or light in color. Dark oysters excel in dark environments, while light oysters thrive in bright environments. Intermediate colored oysters are disadvantaged, lacking effective camouflage in either setting. Which type of natural selection does this phenomenon exemplify? Answer C. Disruptive. Question 6. A team of archaeologists found a fossilized skeleton of a human-like creature with a brain capacity of more than 700 cc. The structure and its associated findings also show evidence that this creature could use tools for hunting. Which stage of human evolution is this creature not from? Answer D. Australopithecines. Question 7. Which of the following is correct about the movement of DNA on an agarose gel and the reason for it? Answer D. S. That is movement across terminals negative to positive and reason charge on DNA. Question 8. What is the minimum possibility of a dominant trait being expressed in the offspring after a test cross? Answer B. 50%. Question 9. Which process is responsible for increasing the percentage of alcohol in whiskey after fermentation? Answer C. Distillation. What does I in the restriction enzyme named HIN-S2I indicate? Answer B. It is the first enzyme isolated from strain S2 of the bacterium. Question 11. Sumi and Nisha said the following about somatic hybridization in plants. Sumi. Gametes are not required for hybridization. Nisha. The resultant plant that grows after the fusion of the cells is genetically identical to the parent plants. Who among them is are correct? Answer A. Only Sumi. Question 12. Rupal says that in marine food chains where the pyramid of biomass is inverted, the 10% rule of energy transfer is not applicable. Is she correct and why? Answer A. No, because every level still gets 10% of the energy from the lower level. Question number 13 to 16 consists of two statements, assertion A and reason R. Answer these questions selecting the appropriate option given below. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Question 13. Assertion A. The coconut endosperm is multinucleate throughout its development. Reason R. Some endosperms undergo free nuclear division without the formation of distinct cell boundaries. Answer A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question 14. Assertion A. DNA ligase is not used in PCR. Reason R. Discontinuous fragments are not formed in the amplification of DNA by PCR. Answer A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question 15. Assertion A. To promote sustainability while minimizing waste, it is recommended to reuse needles up to 2 times for the same person. Reason R. Sterilization of needles eliminates all pathogens and ensures safety. Answer D. A is false but R is true. Question 16. Assertion A. Nuclear DNA extracted from a cell is visible to the naked eye, but unstained plasmid DNA running in an agarose gel is not. Reason R. Plasmid DNA is transparent but nuclear DNA is not. Answer C. A is true but R is false. So friends, we have completed section A. Now let's move on to section B. Question 17. Kavya says that the placenta produces relaxin which plays a crucial role during pregnancy. A. Is she correct? Justify. Answer. No, she is not correct. Relaxin is produced by the ovaries and not the placenta. B. Name 2 other hormones secreted by the placenta during pregnancy. Answer. Human chorionic gonadotropin HCG, human placental lactogen HPL, estrogens, progestrogens. Question 18. Thalassemia is an autosomal recessive disorder that causes anemic conditions in an individual. A blood smear from a heterozygous individual shows blood cells that are small, pale, and irregularly shaped along with normal RBCs. A. State the genotypic and phenotypic ratios of offspring born to a carrier mother and a thalassemic father. Answer. Genotypic ratio 1:1 ratio of carriers is to affected. Phenotypic ratio 50% will not show major symptoms while 50% will show the symptoms. B. Does the allele for thalassemia exhibit codominance? Justify. Answer. Yes. Since both proteins are produced, both types of RBCs are visible, it is codominance. Question 19. Explain any 2 reasons why the treatment of AIDS is only partially effective. Answer. HIV has a high mutation rate and genetic variability making it difficult to target. HIV can be latent for more extended periods of time, making it difficult to diagnose the disease. HIV replicates in immune cells of the human body and targeting them might pose a risk to the individual's immune system and safety. Question 20. Rati wants to grow a variant of the Lactobacillus spp in a bioreactor. Lactobacillus is an anaerobic bacterium commonly used as a starter culture for dairy products. Shown below is a bioreactor she had in her laboratory. A. Identify one component that should definitely not be present in the reactor to grow the lactobacillus. Justify. Answer. The air inlet sparger should be absent. Since lactobacillus is anaerobic, it may not thrive well if oxygen is present. This component should not be present in the reactor. B. Explain 2 quantities that the sensors in the bioreactor should monitor. Answer. A sensor should monitor temperature, as bacteria are likely to die if the temperature fluctuates, dissolved oxygen, should be measured to ensure anaerobic conditions are maintained? Question 21. Shown below is a food chain. A. Fallen leaf, B. Millipedes, C. Fungi, D. Earthworm, then soil. A. Millipedes have a hard exoskeleton whose composition is different from that of the leaves. Considering all other conditions to remain the same, which step is likely to be slower between A to B and B to C, and why? Answer. B to C will be slower than A to B. Since millipedes contain chitin, their decomposition will be slower than that of leaves which have cellulose. B. What would be the direction of the flow of energy in this food chain? Answer. The flow of energy is A to B to C to D. Or A coral reef can be regarded as an ecosystem. Mention any two reasons why. Answer. A coral reef is a self-regulating and stable system. It has a variety of biotic, living components including corals, fish, invertebrates, algae, bacteria, plants, animals and other organisms. It has a variety of abiotic, non-living components including water, sunlight, nutrients and soil. The biotic and abiotic components interact with each other for life to sustain. Flow of energy and nutrients occur in the system. It is self-sustaining system as corals and other organisms that live on the reef produce their own food through photosynthesis, and the reef itself provides a stable habitat for the organisms that live there. B. The net primary productivity (NPP) of a coral reef is approximately 2000 and the gross primary productivity (GPP) is 4000. Calculate the respiration losses R of this ecosystem. Answer. GPP minus R is equal to NPP, and we know GPP is equal to 4000 and NPP is equal to 2000. So by putting the values we get R is equal to 2000. Friends, we have completed section B. Now let's proceed to section C. Question 22. A biologist sees the following cells in a cross section of the semi-inferior tubule and its surrounding tissues and counts the number of various kinds of cells. Spermatozoa, spermatid, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, Leydig cells, Sertoli cells, spermatogonium. From these cells, identify the cells that are diploid. Answer. Leydig cells, Sertoli cells, spermatogonium, primary spermatocyte. B. That can produce hormones and their names. Answer. Leydig cells produces androgens. Question 23. A couple is trying to conceive and start a family. A. If the woman's period, which is regular, is scheduled to start on July 19, what was the estimated date of ovulation for the previous cycle? Answer. 5th July. Name the 4 important reproductive hormones and state whether their levels will be high or low on the date of identified in A. Answer. Estrogen, the highest level, progesterone, the lowest level, FSH, the highest level, LH, the highest level. Question 24. As part of assisted reproductive technologies ART, A. What is the destination for blastomeres with a count of less than 8 cells and more than 8 cells? Answer. For less than 8 cells, blastomere is transferred to the fallopian tube. For more than 8 cells, blastomere is transferred to the uterus. B. What could be the reason behind transferring to the destinations identified in A? Answer. Embryos with more than 8 cells are generally considered healthier and have a better chance of successful implantation and further development, and hence are placed in the uterus and not the fallopian tube. C. What techniques are used to transfer the blastomeres to the destinations identified in A? Answer. For less than 8 cells, zygote intrafallopian transfer is done. For more than 8 cells, the intra to uterine transfer is done. Question 25. A. State any 4 phenomena in which the Hardy-Weinberg theorem may not hold true. Answer. Gene migration, genetic drift, mutation, genetic recombination, natural selection. B. A population of 100 individuals has a frequency of allele A of 0.3 and a frequency of allele A of 0.7. The frequency of the heterozygous genotypic AA is 0.49. Is this population in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? Justify. Answer. For the population to be in the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, the expected frequency of the heterozygous genotype AA has to be 2pq is equal to 2 into 0.7 into 0.3 is equal to 0.42. Since the frequency of the heterozygous genotypic AA is 49%, it deviates from the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. The population is not in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Question 26. State whether each of these statements given below is or true or false. Justify your answer. A. Flocks reduce the pollution in the water by increasing its BOD. Answer. False. Flocks reduce pollution by decomposing the organic matter present in the water and decreasing its BOD. B. Mycorrhiza is a type of parasitic relationship in which only the plants benefit from fungi. Answer. False. Mycorrhiza is a type of symbiotic relationship in which both plants benefit from fungi and vice versa. Question 27. Erythropoietin is a glycoprotein hormone that is otherwise naturally produced in the kidney when the body becomes anemic. However, this does not happen in the case of chronic renal diseases, where kidney function is lost. Apotin alpha is a human erythropoietin produced in cell culture using recombinant DNA technology. The cell culture used is called Navalva cells, a human cell culture. There are 8 exons and 7 introns in a single gene that encodes the hormone, whose sequence is known. Explain the step-by-step process that should be followed for producing human erythropoietin in this culture. Answer. Use the sequence of exons to form a dsDNA molecule in vitro. Insert the dsDNA molecule into an appropriate vector. Introduce the recombinant vectors in a bacterial host and select cells containing the recombinant vector with the gene of interest. Purify the vector and amplify it using PCR. Using a gene gun or any appropriate technique, introduce the recombinant vector into host human cells, Navalva cells. Grow these cells in bioprocessors and extract and purify the glycoprotein from the culture. Or, today many genetic disorders can be detected using a single cell from an embryo. This helps in planning the child's health care in advance and in some cases even treating the disorder while the baby is still in the womb. A. Identify a biotechnological technique that can be used for this purpose. Give a reason to support your answer. Answer. Polymerase chain reaction PCR. It can be used to detect very small quantities of nucleic acid sequences, as would be the case with DNA from a single cell. B. Can the technique identified in A be used to detect the presence of RNA viruses? Justify. Answer. Yes, it can be used. PCR can be used to amplify, detect any nucleotide sequence. In a study comparing two continents, Antarctica and Asia, the species area relationship was investigated using the following data. Parameter, area, for Antarctica 14 into 10 to the power 6 km square, Asia 44 into 10 to the power 6 km square. Regression coefficient 1 for Antarctica and 1 for Asia. Y-intercept 5 for Antarctica and 10 for Asia. A. Calculate the species richness value for each region. Answer. S is equal to C A to the power Z, where S is equal to species richness, A is equal to area, Z is equal to regression coefficient, C is equal to Y-intercept. For Antarctica, by putting the values, we get S is equal to 7 into 10 to the power 6, while for Asia, we get S is equal to 44 into 10 to the power 7. B. Based on A, which continent will have greater biodiversity and why? Answer. Asia. Since the species richness of Asia is more, they have more species and so greater biodiversity than Antarctica. Friends, we have completed section C. Now let's proceed to section D. Question 29. Shown below is a cloning vector Z that Kamala wants to use to create a recombinant vector with her gene of interest. The vector consists of sites for 3 restriction enzymes. Restriction sites for the same enzymes are also present in the gene of interest. There are 2 ORI sequences. One allows it to replicate in Escherichia coli and another allows replication in Zymomonas mobilis. Apart from this, the vector consists of 2 antibiotic resistant genes, one against tetracycline TET and another against chloramphenicol CML. A. What is the advantage of having 2 ORI sequences in the same vector? Give a situation in which this would be particularly useful. Answer. It helps the vector replicate in different hosts. When adding bacterial genes of interest into plant vectors having ORIs that help the same plasmid replicate in both bacteria and plants would help simplify the process of gene cloning. Or, if the vector was cut using Hind3, what would colonies growing on a medium containing tetracycline definitely contain? Answer. The uncut vector without the gene of interest. B. Suggest which of the three restriction enzymes would be suitable for insertion of the gene of interest. Give 2 advantages of using the enzyme chosen by you. Answer. EcoRI would be ideal to use. It has a single restriction site, meaning that only 2 products will be obtained, either with the gene of interest or without it, and will not give multiple products. The restriction site is within the chloramphenicol resistance genes, which on insertional inactivation will help select recombinant vectors. C. State one disadvantage of using the other 2 restriction enzymes not chosen in B. Answer. Using SK1 or Hind3 would lead to multiple and product fragments being formed, which would make selection of the recombinant vector complicated. Question 30. Predator Y shown in the image below is a type of wildcat that inhabits the forest and preys primarily on prey X, which are herbivores. Shown below is data on their respective populations over time. A. What is likely cause for the pattern seen in the prey and predator populations through the years? Answer. Since prey X is the primary food for prey Y, as the prey population increases, so does the predator population. More predators consume the prey, causing the prey population to drop. As the prey population drops, predators do not have enough prey, and so their population also drops. When this happens, the prey population increases again. B. Hypothetically, if all the predators of the forest become extinct, what will happen to the vegetation of the forest? Answer. The vegetation will also slowly disappear. C. Consider a situation where another similar species of predator immigrates to the forest. What is likely to happen over time and why? Answer. The 2 species will compete for the same prey and the inferior one is likely to be eliminated over time. Since they both feed on the same prey, resources are limited, causing the elimination of the inferior predator. Or, juglone is a chemical produced naturally in most parts of the black walnut plant. This chemical leaches into the soil when the plant falls. This leads to the death of many plants that grow around the black walnut plant. Identify the type of ecological interaction between the black walnut and other plants growing around it. Justify. Answer. Amensalism. The black walnut is neither harmed nor benefited while the plants surrounding it are harmed. So friends, we have completed section D. Now let's proceed to section E. Question 31. A non-government organization NGO aims to increase awareness against STDs. A. What could be the ideal target age group for the NGO? Answer. 15 to 24 years. B. Mention any 2 potential long-term health-related complications of untreated STDs that the NGO should educate the target age group about. Answer. Chronic pain and discomfort in various body organs, infertility in some STDs, lower immunity levels and increased risk of other infections, higher risk of transmitting the diseases to others. C. Mention one contraceptive method that provides protection against the STD. Justify. Answer. Condoms. They act as a barrier preventing the mixing of body fluids. D. State 2 contraceptive methods that do not protect against STDs that they can educate the group about. Answer. Oral contraceptive pills, vasectomy or tubectomy, IUDs. Or, Ame and Lalita are expecting their first child. With Lalita being in her 2nd month of pregnancy with no known complications, Ame's family has a history of cystic fibrosis while Lalita's family has a history of Down syndrome, leading to a concern that the baby may have one of these conditions. A. Suggest and explain a way of testing if their baby is at risk for any genetic disorders. Answer. Amniocentesis. It involves taking a sample of the amniotic fluid and testing it for genetic abnormalities. B. In case of the presence of one or both of the abnormalities and posing a risk to the mother's health, mention one possible option for them to consider. Answer. Medical termination of pregnancy, MTP. C. Is the process mentioned in B safe for Lalita at the current gestational stage? Justify. Answer. Yes, it is currently safe. This option should be considered before the completion of the first trimester, as it might be riskier after this period. D. Under what conditions is the process mentioned in B illegal? Answer. MTP is illegal in case involving determining the gender of the unborn child and female foeticide. Question 32. Shown below is a pedigree of an individual X who is suffering from ocular albinism, which results in permanent vision loss. Use the pedigree to answer the questions that follow. A. Complete the following statement about this disease. The trait for the disease is linked to X chromosome and is recessive. B. Give a reason to support your answer to A. Answer. It is appearing in both males and females, but more in males, which need only one X chromosome for the trait to be expressed. The trait is being expressed in only in some children, small fraction, and so is likely to be recessive. C. Identify the genotypes of the individual PQRS marked in the pedigree. Answer. P XY, Q XX, R XX, S XY. Or shown below is a nucleotide sequence and the genetic code. A. Identify the protein sequence formed by this sequence. Answer. TYR, ALA, SER, GLU, HIS. B. Draw the tRNA molecule for the third codon with its polarity labeled. Give a reason to support the polarity identified. Answer. So you have to draw. So you should correct drawing with an anti-codon 3 AGA 5, which will carry 1 mark. And the reason is the mRNA sequence is translated in the 5 to 3 direction, so the anticodon has to be in the 3 to 5 direction. C. The first guanine base in the nucleotide sequence changes to cytosine. Identify type of mutation caused by this change. Answer. Point mutation. C. Will the mutated sequence form an mRNA and protein? Justify. Answer. mRNA will be formed. Protein will not be formed. The first codon is a stop codon due to which translation will not happen. Question 33. Classify the following scenarios as active or passive immunity and justify your answer. First, a fetus receives antibodies from its mother through the placenta. Answer. Passive immunity. Preformed antibodies are being transferred from the mother to the fetus as the fetus does not make its own antibodies. Second, a person accidentally gets cut by a blade and later receives a tetanus shot. Answer. Active immunity. A tetanus shot which contains inactivated tetanus toxin will stimulate the person's immune system to produce his own specific antibodies against tetanus. Third, a person receives a blood transfusion from a donor who has been vaccinated against a disease. A person receives a blood transfusion from a donor who has been vaccinated against a disease. Answer. Passive immunity. The person receiving the blood transfusion is passively acquiring antibodies from the vaccinated donor that were made by the donor's body and not the recipient's body. B. Zoya is bitten by an infected Anopheles mosquito in the morning. In the evening, another non-infected Anopheles mosquito bites Zoya and then bites Zahir immediately. How likely is Zahir to get malaria? Justify your answer. Answer. Zahir is not likely, less likely get malaria. Since Zoya has been bitten by an infected mosquito and the process of infection of the liver cells and red blood cells takes more than 5 days, the non-infected second mosquito is not likely, less likely to get infected by biting Zoya and thus cannot, less likely to transfer the plasmodium to Zahir. Or a patient is suffering from fatigue, high fever and weight loss and has been observing an increasing number and size of lumps in various regions of her body over a very short time. A. What could she be suffering from? Answer. Malignant tumor, cancer. B. Mention 4 ways in which the disease identified in A is caused and 4 techniques that can be used to diagnose it. Answer. Genetic factors, family history, carcinogens, high energy ionizing radiations, example X-rays, gamma rays, etc. Non-ionizing radiations, example UV, infection by oncogenic viruses. Any 4 diagnostic techniques: X-rays, CT scans, MRI scans, blood tests, biopsies. And that concludes our in-depth exploration of the class 12 CBSE biology sample paper. I hope this video proves to be a valuable asset for your exam preparations. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more educational content, subscribe to NCERT Hindi Tutor and join our growing community. If you have questions or specific topics you would like to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. I am Vaibhav signing off for now. Best of luck with your studies and until next time, happy learning.